Nice, I love that. So basically, I have some pomegranate seed right here, and what I'm gonna do is simple. Get the seeds out and get the fresh mint and the lemon, and I'm gonna show you what you can do to get the best way how to get rid of the seed is this way. So basically, if you cut into half and you want to get rid of the seed, you know, simple, beat it like this, all right, and the seeds will drop out. All right, it's very, very easy. So this is one of the best way you can get rid of the seeds out of the pomegranate. All right, it's not very hard. And as you can see, all the seeds coming out. All right. So please be your Chef Ricardo, and I will take it out, but I'm gonna be doing it over my sink. All right. So stay tuned in and give us some more tips on it. All right. Nice and lovely. So now, as you can see, I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do. All right. Let's put this one side and get this one. All right. If you don't have one of this, don't worry yourself. You know what I mean. So what I'm gonna do is that's simple. Give it a little bit of squeeze. All right. Nice one. Lovely. So what I'm gonna do is I got this plastic jug I'm using, so don't worry yourself if you don't. I don't have a glass jug at the moment, but I have, but that's fine, pretty good. No, none of my knife. They're not supposed to be like this. That's not Chef Ricardo knife. All right. Now, as I can see, what we're going to do is put some lime in the water. All right. And now we're going to put some leaf, fresh mint in the water. Now, simple, just get these seeds and put it in like this. Alright, just pour out everything. Pomegranate water. Alright. That is beautiful, guys, honestly. What we're gonna do next is get some ice, which we needed. It's a must. We need some ice. All right, nice one. So as you can see, things looking really good. All right, now yeah, things looking good. What I'm going to do is going to do now is simple give it a mix. Alright, you definitely need to give it a nice, lovely mix. Going to put some ice in it. Alright. That is very, very lovely, guys. You need to drink this. Put some more mint in it. Get your glass. That is just lovely. Let's stir it up. Guys, I'm telling you, you need to drink this one. This is fantastic and amazing. Alright, now as you can see exactly, sorry about that, my camera was like down the bottom, but sorry about that, guys. As you can see exactly what I've been doing right here is just lovely and amazing. Alright, so you got the pomegranate seeds, the lemon, the lime, and mint. Very good for detoxing and cleansing of the body. Alright, thank you for tuning in. Stay tuned. We've got a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. Please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend, guys. Don't forget, subscribe is very important. Alright, and also, yeah, share the video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye bye. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically I'm going to be making a simple smoothie recipe with strawberry, blueberry, spinach, coconut milk, honey, ice, and cinnamon. Chuck strawberry and blueberry in the blender. A good handful of spinach. teaspoon of honey, pinch of cinnamon, some ice, and some coconut milk. That's about 1/4 cup of coconut milk. I'm gonna take it to the blend for about 2 to 3 seconds. One, here it is. That is lovely. That is just amazing. Fantastic, simple, and just amazing. Just as that, guys. Anyway, enjoy the recipe, subscribe, leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. We have a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas will look coming from Chef Ricardo team, and I will definitely see you next time in the kitchen with more recipe like this. Very easy, simple, healthy smoothie for breakfast or for lunch in the morning. See you next time. Bye bye. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically what we're going to do now is make a red apple and peach drink. I got some leftover apple and I'm just using it all. Here it is. This is a peach. This is the peach that I'm using. And I put a piece of a ginger. And I'm gonna use half of a lemon. If you got lime, please use it. So I remove the skin, put it straight inside of it. roughly about a cup of water to free up the blender. And what we're going to do now is simple blend it. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically this is it, done and dusted. I just strain it off. This is all this fiber. All right, nice one. So what we're gonna do now is strain it. We strain it already. What we're gonna do, we're gonna serve it up now with some ice and make you guys see the way it look. All right, stay tuned. Nice one. So what we're going to do is put some ice in it. Put that beautiful juice. All right, so what you can also do is put a few fresh mint inside of it. So definitely it just bringing a lovely flavor to it. Nice one. Just gonna bring in that lovely flavor to it. You can add honey, sugar, whatever you like, but to me, I better you keep it natural and authentic like that. Alright guys, and then you will get that beautiful aroma and color what you're looking for. Stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Show. Got a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. Please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend, and I will see you next time in the kitchen with more recipe. Bye bye.